Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick comparison if you're deciding between the Steam Deck and Odin 2, like what are the main differences between the two things that you need to know. So when you just look here, the Steam Deck is so huge. So this is the first, like it can be a Con Pro, depends what kind of hands you have. But if you are not strong enough to hold the Steam Deck, just be aware that it's like pretty big. So you don't get a carpal tunnel or something, you know? So this is the first thing. The second thing is that the Odin 2, if you want to have it, it's more comfortable, it's smaller, it's lighter. It got also better battery life and better options if you are only going to emulate and play Android games. So if you're into Android games, then Odin 2 is the way. But here comes the thing, is that with the Odin 2, you can't really play most PC games, all right? So yes, you can do it through Winlater, but it is very not a great process, right? So, and now the pros of the Steam Deck, that's something that I personally like, is they can play almost any PC game. If you want to install Windows on it, it can play any PC game. So, there are the Steam Deck also has emulators. They're not available on Android. So VU, Xbox 360 and PS3 got all emulators on PC, but not Android. So this is another thing that you need to know. Now, the cons of the Steam Deck, on the other hand, is that with the Steam Deck, you don't have a great battery life. It's big, it's heavy, and it only lasts a couple of hours. But the quality is just like different on the kind of games you want to play. So it really boils down to if you want to play Android games or if you want to play games for Windows. And some emulators from View, Xbox 360, it's things like that. So yeah, thank you very much. Hope this video gave you a little bit of value and have a great day and goodbye.